In this video, you will learn about the Fetch API, promise-based mechanism to make HTTP requests. It's part of the JavaScript standard built into the language itself. A GET request is used to retrieve data from a server. It's like asking, can I get this information? A POST request, on the other hand, is used to send data to a server. It's like saying, please accept this information. So let's start with a GET request. I'm gonna copy and paste some code and explain it to you. So here we are fetching data from a URL. If successful, we handle the response by converting it into JSON and then log the data to the console. So let me run this program. You can see that this URL returned an user ID, an ID, a title, and a body. What we did was retrieve all that data from the URL, get the response, then convert the response to JSON, print the result, and if any error was encountered, we would have printed an error. Now to make a POST request, you need to provide a few more options. So here's an example. Let me remove this and paste all of this. You can see that we specified the POST method. Then we provided a body using the JSON.stringify method. We need to conform to the API, so we need to provide the title, the body, and the user ID, because the ID is usually filled in by itself. And the headers option is used to set any headers required by the API. In this case, we are setting content type to application/JSON to let the server know we are sending JSON data. And after we do the POST request, we handle the data in the same way. So the response is converted to a JSON, we print the JSON, and in case we have an error, we just print it. Let's run the program. And you can see that we received back a title, which is who, a body, var, and a user ID 1. So that means our data was uploaded to the server.